everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on conditional formatting in Power BI. Let me begin with an example first to make it easy for you to understand what conditional formatting is. Now look at the report here where I'm showing by country, city, total sales, profit or loss, shipping cost, etc. Sometimes when you have so many records in your data and you are using either table or matrix visualization, that time it becomes very challenging to gain quick insight from the visualization because you have so many records here, right? So it becomes very difficult to understand your data with ease. Let me show you the same report but with some background colors or some icons or some font colors, etc. added. So this is looking much better, right? This is what we call as conditional formatting, where based on certain conditions we add this kind of background colors or this icons or this font colors, etc. to the table row. Now if you look at this data, I will show you the logic little later. Based on the colors, it will be easy for you to understand the cities which are generating more sales, or the cities which are doing moderate, or the cities which are generating less amount of sales. Or if you look at this profit or loss field, so based on this icon, the cities which are giving you loss or the cities which are giving you profit. So likewise, based on the font colors also you can determine, or based on the bar sizes you can easily determine, like the cities where the shipping cost is high or the cities where the shipping cost is low. How to implement conditional formatting for a table view? To do that, let me go back to the original table view that I have already created and where I have not applied any conditional formatting. Go to visualization section and here you select the field. So here, for example, I want to apply conditional formatting on total sales field. So what you have to do is select here, and there you will see this option called conditional formatting. And there you will see the options like background color, font color, data bars, icons, web URL, etc. So let us start with background color. So I'm selecting background color. By default, you will see gradient as the format style, and there are other options as well along with gradient, which are rules and field value. If you select gradient, by default, if the value is low, you will see the background as like light color. With higher value, the background color will also get darker. So you can see that wherever the value is high, the background color is also showing little dark. So this is how the default one looks like. Now again, let me go back to total sales and again go back to conditional formatting, select background color. This is where if you want to edit, if you want to modify the conditions, you can do this way. I will show you how to use rules because this is a very important one. Suppose I will put the condition this way: if the value is greater than or equal to 0 and if it is less than, let's go for 5,000, then I will show it as red. Now again I will add another rule: if the value is greater than equal to 5,000 and again change it to number, and it is less than, let's make it 15,000, then I will show it as, let's add some nice yellow. Then I will show it as yellow. I will add one more rule: if the value is greater than or equal to 15,000 and let's change it to number, and less than, I don't know the highest, the maximum value there, so let's just keep it as like this, some very high number. Then I want to show it as, suppose, green, and select OK. Let's click OK. So now you can see it will be very easy for you to understand. For example, wherever it is green, that means these cities are doing very good. Wherever it is red, that means these cities are not generating good sales. Or wherever it is yellow, that means these cities are doing moderate. At a very quick glance, it will be very easy for you to understand your data. Let me again go back to total sales and go to also, if you want to remove conditional formatting, you just simply select remove conditional formatting, and since right now I only have applied background color, so background color is coming here. Once I select there, my conditional formatting will go away. Let me show you how to use field value option. So for that, what I have to do is I have to create a field where I have to specify the colors. I have already created a field. The logic is, if the sales value is greater than equal to 500, then red. Again, if it is greater than 500 and less than 2000, then cyan. Or if it is greater than 2000 and less than 15,000, then yellow. Or else if it is greater than 15,000 and less than some max number I have get, then lime. So now again, I can share this link with you. So if you go to this Microsoft site, so there they have a very nice documentation on conditional formatting. They have shared a link here. If you go there, right, you will get a list of color names. So you can refer to this site if you want to get some color names. This is very helpful. I will share these links in the description box for your reference. Based on certain conditions, I have specified the name of the colors. Now how to use this in my conditional formatting? Again, let's go back to total sales, and then again conditional formatting, go to background color, and now I will select field value, and here I will select the field that I have created with the conditions and click OK. As you can see now, based on the conditions that I have specified in the measure that is already created, the background colors are also showing accordingly. Let me show you how to add icons for profit or loss. So let me go to profit or loss, then I'll go to conditional formatting and I will select icons. I will go with rules because I will specify the conditions over here. You have the option where you can specify where you want to place the icons. Either it can be placed at the left of the data, or you can show only icons, or you can place the icons at the right of the data. Let me just select left of data, and then I don't need 3 rules here. I just need 2 rules. So the conditions will be, if the values are positive, then I want to show something in green. If the values are negative, I want to show something in red. So for that, let me first change this to number, and to show the negative number, let me just specify this way, and it should be less than 0. So let me go with this red ball, and then the next one will be, it has to be greater than or equal to 0, and then I don't know the highest number, let me just keep some random number, and it should be something in green. That's all. Now again click OK. So as you can see here, the icons have been added, and wherever the value is negative, you are seeing this red color ball, and wherever the value is positive, you are seeing this green color ball. Let me go to shipping cost, again go to conditional formatting and select font color. You can again specify the rules, or you can select the values. So let me go with gradient, and I will, for lowest value, let me select probably something dark. Let me select this red. For highest value, let me select blue. You can also add a middle color, like you can select something like probably green or something. Yeah, okay. So as you can see here, the colors are also changing accordingly. Green indicates like moderate cost, red indicates lower cost, and wherever it is blue, it indicates higher cost. Also on the same field, you can add multiple conditions. For example, let me again go to shipping cost, go to conditional formatting, and go to data bars. So on the same field, I can add multiple conditions. So let me just change the color of the bar to probably pink or something, and let's see how it looks. Wherever the value is little higher, you can see like the bar size is also more. So also there is an option where you can only show the bars. If you don't want to show the numbers, you can just show the bars like this. As I've already mentioned, that whenever you have very huge data sets, you have so many records, and you are using table view or matrix view, conditional formatting is very convenient to understand the data better. Again, if you're planning to obtain Pl-300 certification, conditional formatting is also a very important topic. Make sure that you understand the steps that you need to follow to implement the conditional formatting. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked the video, and thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.